Widespread demonstration demanding ILPS in the state continues. Student takeout rallies, locals block roads at various locations. 10 colleges unite to form College Students Council Manipur. Gives 1st June deadline to release students arrested in ILPS agitation. Manipur University quota row continues. Students demand resignation of Vice Chancellor and Registrar for not complying UGC reservation norms. And Free from Hepatitis C project is launched today. 25 widows living with HIV and hepatitis C will be provided free treatment. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News Bulletin. I'm Tenshram Sangeeta with top stories and latest news at this hour. 10 colleges has formed a students' council by the name College Students Council Manipur CSCM today in connection with the demand for the inner line permit system. Speaking at a press meet held at DM College, the convener of the council, Dhana Chandra Khaidem, said there has been no positive response from the state as well as the central government regarding the demand of inner line permit system. He said if the government fails to release the students who have been arrested during the ILPS agitation and if all the political parties fail to convince the centre for implementing the 3 bills into an act by the 1st of June, then the council will be compelled to intensify their agitation. He also said the students strongly condemned the state police unruly behavior during students' democratic protest at Kaisampat yesterday. He warned for a stern reaction if the state police and the government continues the same treatment to students.
DGG amadi ibn sanagi mehro singna democratic oiba way da jangan kiba adung loba kongjing aduda Manipur police personnel sing amadi Manipur government singna chathar ba thawong sadra singna torture to biba amadi harassment to biba adu akoi gi side tagi yam kanna kanem tokjai adugum loba mathong huktraba thawdo adu amuk ana mehro sing phumda to bidana ba akoi gi college students council gi makai dagi appeal tokjari makata na sigum laba koi sadra singda yengbang amdraba yang haidra thaba asigum laba takthorba targadi koi Manipur government gi mathakta amadi Manipur police personnel gi mathakta koi chap sabi laman khumna koi sem sabalo jare.
A group of 7 women civil society organizations have decided to join Inner Line Permit Stir, spearheaded by JC ILPS from tomorrow. The 7 organizations are Nompok Lengang Apunbalup Imphal East, All Manipur Women Social Reformation and Development Samaj, Nupi Samaj, Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalup Amkil, Porei Lemarol Meira Paibi Apunba Manipur, Kanglai Imalup Kil, Women Welfare Organization Kanglai Park, and All Manipur Tami Chingmi Apunba Lup. Speaking to media persons at the office of JCILPS at Sega Road, representatives of women organizations demanded immediate release of the arrested students without any condition and conversion of 3 bills into an act. Police atrocities on peaceful student protesters yesterday at Kaisampat was also condemned in the strongest term. Women leaders also added that silence maintained by the government and leaving the police to suppress the ILPS movement shows that the 60 MLAs of the state are not serious in protecting indigenous people of the state. The women representatives of the 7 organizations have asked the political leaders of the state the reason why all political parties are not going to Delhi pressing the ILPS demand. They also want the government not to invite for another June 18-like situation in the state.
Assembly gi chokri humpuda phamiba moi humpuje minung siam ta yawde minung si yawe na laude khoina bhaina ngakpa lamdona moina hekta manim makha tamna angang gi ta phubi se ji ga se adukki matti ka khoi khangba ngamaktre bin gi mohota makoina hoji municipality gi apik ba bot sida thawai yawduna khomna leire atuba matamda center da chapiraga hariba bill pass to biga baje atuba matamda ek to onthok pinaba wona biu
yelhau mi kanje hairaga mi pod ipos hare iram damchi miran oire hujik laifam laitre
ngasi gi political leaders sing asina Delhi da sakani hairaga makhoi khuding tumina leba maram karigino.
Meanwhile, the demand for the inner light permit system is continuing in various parts of the valley today. Students of 5 schools in Kanchipur took out a protest rally demanding conversion of 3 bills into an act and release of 2 arrested students. Large number of students today marched towards Imphal shouting slogans. The students were stopped by state police near Singjamai police station. Scuffle broke out between the protesting students. Police resorted to firing of tear gas shells and smoke bomb, which injured 3 students. Meanwhile, angry locals pelted stones at the police. Later, the situation was controlled by the police. The angry local residents and students blocked Indo-More Road. On the other hand, supporting ILPS school students of Lamlong staged protest rally. Roads were closed in Kongba and Kongman Mangjil by local residents. Eleven students formed a human chain and sat on the Kaisampar Bridge, blocking the road in the afternoon today. The students were from Model Higher Secondary School, Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Iboton Sana Higher Secondary School and Recent Higher Secondary School, Sagol Tongba. Later, a team of Manipur police arrived and detained the students. The detained students inside the police van shouted slogans to release the arrested students and to implement ILPS in the state. Students of Heritage Convent Uripok staged protest rally in support of inner line permit system. The rally began from Heritage Convent School and it was stopped by police personnel near Samumakong. Students displayed various placards like "Convert the 3 bills into an act," "Stop non-locals from casting votes in election," among others. Students of Churachan Higher Secondary School have boycotted the school indefinitely from today, demanding immediate release of arrested students, including students from the school without any condition. Just after the announcement of the boycott, students of the school attempted to meet the Chief Minister to submit a memorandum highlighting their demands. However, police managed to stop the students at the gate and close the gate. Later, police allowed 5 representatives of the school to submit the memorandum through the Deputy Commissioner, Imphal East. As part of the Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System stir in the valley, locals residents blocked the Kurai Lamlong and Chingmarong Dinku Road today. A large number of people at around 1:30 p.m. blocked all the roads leading to Kurai Lamlong Bazaar. Protesters stopped all kind of vehicular movements on the road. All the shops and other establishments were closed during the agitation. Police deployed at the area kept a strict vigil to stop any untoward incident. On the other hand, local residents living near Chingmarong blocked the Dinku Road. Protesters sat on the road shouting slogans to implement inner line permit system in the state. Meanwhile, commuters had a tough time as agitators blocked the road from Wanghai Andro Parking to Meherbam Lampak using bamboos and logs. A group of elderly women later joined the agitation by blocking the road from Chingmarong Khongnang Ani Karak to the new Assembly Road. Many senior citizen women gathered and blocked one side of the Sangapham Bazaar Road, which is also the Asian Highway #1, in support of the ILPS stir. Shops around the bazaar remain closed due to the road blockade. Meanwhile, agitators also blocked the Thangweban Road by burning tires in the middle of the road. Though commuters were not really affected as the police came and put off the fire and dispersed the mob on time. Similar protests were seen in Mayailambi too. Local residents blocked roads at various localities using electric poles, stones and wood logs were placed on road in support of ILPS. All passenger service vehicles were stopped from plying on the road, although some private vehicles and vehicles ferrying BA, BSc exam students were allowed to ply on the road. Commuters faced tough time due to road blockage. On the other hand, angry mob ransacked and damaged the house of a person accused for allegedly firing at local residents of Kongbalaisham Lekai Hainobol who were carrying out ILPS agitation today. The accused person has been identified as Longjam Amar, age 50, son of late Longjam Gokul Chand of Kongbakaithel. The incident occurred at around 2 this afternoon when locals were blocking the Ayangpalli road in support of the ongoing ILPS agitation. It is reported that Longjam Amar took out a double-barrel gun and fired at the agitators when the accused person was asked to drive his Maruti Zen car in low speed. Angry agitators then marched towards his house and damaged properties. As the accused was not present, the angry locals told the family to produce the accused person and to make him apologize to them. A police team of Erelbung police station arrived at the spot and controlled the situation. Manipur People's Party MPP took out a peace rally in support of inner line permit system today. The rally was organized by party's Youth Front and Chanuram Marup. The rally began from MPP office and marched up to Kaisampat. The rally was stopped at Kaisampat by state police personnel when the agitators tried to march towards Samumakhong. The rally then diverted its route towards Paunakaithil and marched up to Samumakhong. A project called Free from Hepatitis C was launched today at Manipur Press Club. The program was jointly organized by Community Network for Empowerment, CONE and Babina Diagnostic Center. The project is part of Healthy Liver and will provide free treatment to 25 selected widows living with HIV and hepatitis C infection. The project will continue in phase-wise manner under the funding of various organizations and individuals. Speaking at the occasion, State Epidemiologist Dr. K. Shashikumar said hepatitis C is a curable disease, but it cannot be eradicated due to social force. He stated it is necessary for the state government to frame policy for eradicating the disease.
Mother of all other chronic diseases and head cover, however, another masi kuki reduction si government the yawan ki haidar budi nakoi ki side degi no na press seram kan na pibuta adu concern with department natraga section do adu the knock to buta haibadi store the purchase section store section and a medical director ke layeva mother.
As part of the program, patients undergoing treatment for HIV and hepatitis C infection shared their testimony about their problems and expressed happiness for launching a project for widows. Managing Director of Babina Diagnostic Center, Dr. T.H. Dhavli said hepatitis C can be treated and cured even though it is transmitted very fast. The medicine to cure hepatitis C is available in India at the cost of 40,000 rupees for a complete course.
Good news, Amadi. ngasi di hairiba virus si treat tawna cure tawna me haibasine aduga matamata yam tangi dak se photo ngamde na course na pi matanda na gari banga changi de an changi na haram adu project ga sai phone ge pegi president bhai gre policy ni ku katna course ma complete cure tawna me sile na power power letre ayam ba viral disease se pegi si bawda adu cure tawna me nire liti HIV su do control tawda ni pure liti adu hepatitis C CD adu ba de transmission to the liver damage or so matam chana na sai gi early stage detect to be all adu ga masi cure to na.
Time for a small commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News.
Admissions open. Medical Directorate amasung Department of Education SK Office Assistant amasung Revenue Department ke LDC Revenue Inspector Jiladar amadi mandal gi pangthokadaba aiba changyeng gi dama special course June gi tang ahum gi nungthil pung ahum dagi haujaragani akupa marol gi dama Proactive Academy Kwakaithil da contact tobiu.
Admission open. 6 months foundation plus C8 course 11 Science and Humanities. Intact capacity 25 students per class. Class commences on Monday 20th June 2016. For details contact Gurukul, Kaisamtong Hodam Direct Maning Airport Road Imphal in between 6 am to 9 am and 3:30 pm to 7:30 pm.
UNACO School admission notice for class 11 science prospectus along with admission form available at 500 rupees. Last date of form submission 8 June. Eligibility 50% aggregate and above for state board. CGPA 6 for UNACO students, CGPA 7 for other CBSE schools. Date of entrance test 11 June. Venue UNACO School, time 9 am. Result declaration 12 June. Direct admission for rank holders 80% and above in HSLC exam 2016 and CGPA 10 in AISSC 2016. Exemption of admission and tuition fee for rank holders in HSLC exam 2016. Please contact 8131-070-337.
Manipur gi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahan bangami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpi 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna hingjagan ngasimag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal. Manipur gi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahan bangami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpi 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna hingjagan ngasimag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal.
Nauna sanarpa hakula body pillar stamen gi body growth sinabi.
Admissions open. Medical Directorate amasung Department of Education SK Office Assistant amasung Revenue Department ke LDC Revenue Inspector Jiladar amadi mandal gi pangthokadaba aiba changyeng gi dama special course June gi tang ahum gi nungthil pung ahum dagi haujaragani akupa marol gi dama Proactive Academy Kwakaithil da contact tobiu.
Admission open. 6 months foundation plus C8 course 11 Science and Humanities. Intact capacity 25 students per class. Class commences on Monday 20th June 2016. For details contact Gurukul, Kaisamtong Hodam Direct Maning Airport Road Imphal in between 6 am to 9 am and 3:30 pm to 7:30 pm. Admission open. 6 months foundation plus C8 course 11 Science and Humanities. Intact capacity 25 students per class. Class commences on Monday 20th June 2016. For details contact Gurukul, Kaisamtong Hodam Direct Maning Airport Road Imphal in between 6 am to 9 am and 3:30 pm to 7:30 pm.
UNACO School admission notice for Class 11 Science. Prospectus along with admission form available at 500 rupees. Last date of form submission 8 June. Eligibility 50% aggregate and above for State Board. CGPA 6 for UNACO students, CGPA 7 for other CBSE schools. Date of entrance stands 11 June. Venue UNACO School, time 9 AM. Result declaration 12 June. Direct admission for rank holders 80% and above in HSLC exam 2016 and CGPA 10 in AISSC 2016. Exemption of admission and tuition fee for rank holders in HSLC exam 2016. Please contact 8131 070 337.
Nauna sanarpa hakulakpa body pillar sina stamen gi body growth si sinabiyo.
Manipur gi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na jingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna yingzagan ngasimag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal.
Admissions open. Medical Directorate amasung Department of Education SK Office Assistant amasung Revenue Department ke LDC Revenue Inspector Jiladar amadi mandal gi pangthokadaba aiba changyeng gi dama special course June gi tang ahum gi nungthil pung ahum dagi haujaragani akupa marol gi dama Proactive Academy Kwakaithil da contact tobiu.
Admission open. 6 months foundation plus C8 course 11 Science and Humanities. Intact capacity 25 students per class. Class commences on Monday 20th June 2016. For details contact Gurukul, Kaisamtong Hodam Lerak Maning Airport Road Imphal in between 6 AM to 9 AM and 3:30 PM to 7:30 PM.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Beneficiaries of National Food Security Act of Thambaban Assembly Constituency have urged the authorities to provide original card signed by the DC along with proper official stamp. Uyam Saya, a resident of Thambaban Hijam Dewan Lekai, said the Food Security Act card which was distributed does not have seal and signature of the DC. She also said the card does not have photographs and thumb signature of the beneficiary. After approaching DC office, the officials told them that the cards were taken by the concerned MLA before the official work was finished.
DC ki sinju nambide DC ki soisu yaudre aduga isagi soisu yaude photo su yaudre akoina hayeng Canada gi no karino akoi Canada hangmudori bano akoi pura samamnari madugi asengba koina samamnari se amukta di sengtokpio DC da salaga akoina hangjarure haijarure matam sudana hekraba haini haina kumai Canada no akoina wakat kadoise tagdo da sinagragadi tagdo da akoi gi mari lainaba Tananing Bamayamama, Tagduda Tanabayarabra, Dipamenda Tanadragasu.
A meeting was held for the All Armed Forces veterans of Manipur near Koirenga yesterday. Nearly 80 veterans of the state attended the meeting held under Meeting of Minds and Strengthen in Unity. All those present voiced their concern about various welfare schemes for ESMs not being implemented in the state government. They also expressed gratitude that the army, especially local military establishment in Manipur, is implementing the central government-sponsored welfare schemes for the retired personnel. 41 Assam Rifles of 10 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South in collaboration with Ukhrul District Health Society and Mobile Dental Team of 13 Duar, Ukhrul organized a medical dental camp at the unit hospital at Somsai in Ukhrul yesterday. Free consultation and medicines were provided to 105 children who attended the camp. Academic Council held at Manipur University today resolved to follow University Grants Commission's UGC norms. An academic council was held at Manipur University today regarding the reservation row. The council was chaired by Vice Chancellor Ejinka Sharma, attended by all deans, head of departments, all professors, along with student representatives. Council resolved to follow University Grant Commission reservation norms during admission time and post-vacancy. The UGC reservation norm stands at the Manipur University was follows: 27% for OVC, 7.5% for scheduled tribe and 15% for scheduled castes. Joint Committee on Reformation of Existing Policy in Reservation in Manipur University expressed happiness over the decision.
Manipur University UGC da yengsanba supervised over UGC oiba structure Central University of Government of India structure da laibanina UGC na semba duguma norm sing asi in by yam tangai fade aduna maram marakanda UGC gi norm bu matam chana matang chana koina decision on lobby duna masi Central University sida chana na bhona baji sigi maram nani koina Manipur University Academic Council lobby ba decision ji chum decision manina thamjari.
BJP released a vision statement containing 21 points in connection with the upcoming Imphal Municipal Corporation election to be held on 2nd of June. Speaking to media persons at State Election Management Committee convener, Thanajum Chauba said BJP will win at least 19 wards out of the 27 wards. He accused the Congress government of playing delay tactics in handling issues in the state. The vision statement includes construction of more public parks in the city, providing drinking water to provide house to every citizen by 2020 under National Housing Policy.
BJP sarkar la pamatamda pifam thokpa power se magi phangpham thokpa panchayat pigadaba jila parishad pigadaba municipality da pigadaba municipal corporation da pigadaba punamak se devolution of power khwaile natradi one man sason di aikoi chaukhat pa yaroi sini aina hayen.
A 3-day training program for the teachers of the Valley District on the theme Quality Education, Teachers Accountability, Fostering Teacher-Student Relationship began today at the Conference Hall of State Council of Education Research and Training, Lumphilpath. 110 teachers from the higher secondary schools in the Valley took part in the training program organized by Directorate of Education S. Resource persons including professors from Manipur University and Psychiatry Department of RIMS spoke during the training. Director of Education S. N. Pavin stated that the training program is being held with the aim to enhance the method of teaching through understanding the emotions and minds of the students.
Classroom the tauriba like takpugi mong teaching learning expect and also the process da was sing sina hena satra sing sigi needs satra sing sigi emotional mag requirements mayam se nainare heraga khange heraga karam mong ta ga khwaidagi angang sing si effective oigani haibasi sinainabani sinainabasida koi university ki adagi tan koi medical colleges marwin RIMS ki psychiatry department ki experts in cover herga namini se koi session chathagani.
State Council of Education Research and Training SCRT Textbook Unit organized textbook writing training program for the tribal dialect textbook writers. 20 textbook writers of Liangmai, Paumai, Maram and Anan language attended the program. The program was attended in order to increase the tribal dialects books starting from classes 1 up to higher classes. L. Kamaki Kumar, former HOD department, English department, Imphal College was the resource person at the program. A one-day awareness cum training program, Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Figs, was held at Thambal Nukaithel, Angtha village under Imphal East today. The program was attended by 500 farmers along with Dr. A.S. Rajput, Deputy Commissioner, IND Division, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. The program was jointly organized by Manipur Organic Mission Agency and Green Foundation.
Value added toraga, process matunda, branding toraga, made in Manipur Haibugum, Manipur produce Higera, organic Manipur Higera, something other kind of brand nama, branding toro matunda, Haiba Pose export Kiwana, Tanava, Adumba, Vision Leva, Adumba, Pandam Leva scheme mamane. According to Sitsa Therivasi, FIZ Mayam, Haivati Farmers Interest Group Mayam se, Punsalaga company formed Torum Daigi, Moida Port Chay, Tava Horukbagi, procedure Punamak se.
22nd one-month training program of Sumang Lila will begin from 4th of June till the July 4th at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen. The training program is organized by Theatre Mirror Imphal and Manipur State Sumang Lila Council. Making the announcement, Project Director Nabawarepa said many experts and scholars will speak on Sumang Lila and martial arts. The aim of the training program is to provide a platform for imparting education on the rich art and culture of the state to the art lovers. A public meeting was organized by All Manipur Bengali Students Union at the Al Amin English School, Sonapur, Jiribam. Ways to improve the quality of education in schools in Jiribam and schemes on education were the main topic of the meeting. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan to teach the students up to primary level schools in Bengali populated areas in Bengali and the selection of Bengali teachers for primary schools were also discussed during the meeting. Kickboxing Association of Manipur in a press release informs that Manipur team won 6 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze in kickboxing event in the National Martial Arts Game held from May 19 till the 22nd of May. With that, it's a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Widespread demonstration demanding ILPS in Manipur continues. Students take out rallies, locals block roads at various locations. 10 colleges unite to form College Students' Council Manipur, gives 1st June deadline to release students arrested in ILPS agitation. Academic Council held at Manipur University to follow University Grants Commission reservation norms during admission and post-vacancy. And Free from Hepatitis C project is launched today. 25 widows living with HIV and hepatitis C will be provided free treatment